Hello, Tom Godwin at Royal Volkswagen. We'd like you to come take an exclusive look at the new Volkswagen Tiguan SUV. The Tiguan has this available integrated LED light bar that runs clear across the front grille. When it comes to functionality, the available power liftgate is activated with a swipe of your foot. The available multicolor ambient lighting is the kind of feature you never knew you needed. The front seats are available in ventilated leather to keep you cool and comfortable. The optional IQ Drive is a game changer in the Tiguan. It brings adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and so much more to the table. Under the hood, you've got an efficient, responsive, turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and when you add available 4-motion all-wheel drive, you put the power exactly where you need it at all times. The new Tiguan is available at Royal Volkswagen at the corner of Highway 31 and I-65. Come join us for a test drive.